Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at Lucidspark Tutorial 2025. Create interactive whiteboards and visual ideas. In today's fast-paced, digital-first world, collaboration and clear communication are more important than ever, especially with the rise of remote and hybrid work environments. Whether you are working with a team across time zones or collaborating in person, having the right tools to brainstorm, plan, and execute ideas can make all the difference. This is where Lucidspark shines. Lucidspark is a modern, cloud-based online whiteboarding platform designed to help teams ideate, organize, and work together visually in real time. It is more than just a digital canvas. It is a dynamic space where creativity meets structure. From sticky notes and mind maps to strategic planning templates and voting tools, Lucidspark empowers teams to transform messy thoughts into clear, actionable strategies. Whether you are hosting a team workshop, mapping out a product roadmap, planning a sprint, or simply organizing your next big idea, Lucidspark gives you the flexibility and features to make it happen. Its real-time collaboration tools make it easy to share feedback, assign tasks, and prioritize ideas, all from one interactive space. In this tutorial, you will learn everything you need to get started with Lucidspark in 2025. From creating your first board to mastering advanced tools that boost productivity and creativity. What is Lucidspark? Lucidspark is a cloud-based virtual whiteboard tool developed by Lucid Software, the creators of Lucidchart. While Lucidchart focuses on diagrams and structured visuals, Lucidspark emphasizes free-form collaboration. Think sticky notes, brainstorming sessions, mind maps, and real-time teamwork. Key features include infinite canvas for limitless ideas, sticky notes, shapes, freehand drawing, real-time collaboration and voting, templates for common frameworks, sample, swoot, Kanban, mind maps, integrations with Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, Jira, and more. Lucidspark is ideal for team meetings, design sprints, strategic planning, and visual project management. Step 1. Getting started with Lucidspark. 1. Sign up for login. Go to www.lucidspark.com. Click Sign Up Free if you are a new user. Use your Google, Microsoft, or email account to register. If your organization already uses Lucidspark, you may be invited to a shared workspace. 2. Lucidspark Dashboard Overview. Once you log in, you will land on the dashboard. Here, you can create new boards, view recent boards, access shared templates, manage your personal and team folders. Click plus New Board to start a blank canvas or choose from the available templates. Step 2. Exploring. Exploring the Lucidspark interface. Understanding the layout is crucial for using Lucidspark effectively. Here's a breakdown of the main tools. Toolbar. Left panel. Select tool. Move or edit objects. Sticky notes. Add colorful notes for ideas or tasks. Shapes. Rectangles. Circles. Diamonds for flowcharts and diagrams. Lines and arrows. Connect ideas visually. Text tool. Add custom labels, instructions, or headings. Image tool. Upload your own visuals. Freehand tool. Draw directly onto the canvas. Containers. Group ideas into sections or categories. Tap menu bar. Board title and settings. Zoom controls. Undo, redo. Share button. Invite collaborators via link or email. Export options. Save your board as a PNG, PDF, or shareable link. Minimap, bottom right corner. Navigate your whiteboard easily if you are working on a large canvas. Collaborator avatars, top right, shows who is currently viewing or editing the board. Each collaborator is assigned a color for easy tracking. Step 3. Creating and organizing visual content. Add sticky notes. Sticky notes are the heart of brainstorming in Lucidspark. Click the sticky note icon from the toolbar. Type your idea or note. Choose from different colors to represent categories, priorities, or team members. Resize and drag notes as needed. Add shapes and connectors. To structure ideas or build diagrams, select the Shapes tool. Drag shapes onto the canvas. Example, rectangle for a step, diamond for a decision. Use lines or arrows to connect them. You can label connectors for flowcharts or logic diagrams. Insert text and images. Use the text tool for titles, descriptions, or labels. Click the image icon to upload relevant visuals from your device or the web. Use containers. Containers are like digital folders on your whiteboard. They help you group similar items, like a set of tasks, project phases, or team contributions. Drag a container from the toolbar. Drop sticky notes or shapes inside. Label your container. Example, to do, in progress, done. Step 4. Real-time collaboration features. Lucidspark thrives when used collaboratively. Here's how to work with your team effectively. Invite collaborators. Click Share at the top. Invite people via email or generate a public or team-only link. Set permission levels. Viewer, commenter, or editor. Collaborator colors. Each user is assigned a color. Sticky notes or edits made by a user will appear in their color, helping identify contributions. Voting and prioritization. Use the voting tool to make decisions. Click Tools. Voting session. See how many votes each participant gets. Team members vote on sticky notes, shapes, or ideas. Results are highlighted for clear decision making. Commenting and tagging. Add comments to specific items by right-clicking and selecting comment. Use @mentions to notify teammates or assign actions. Step 5. Templates and frameworks. Lucidspark offers a wide variety of pre-made templates to help you get started quickly. Popular templates: mind maps, SWOT analysis, Kanban boards, user journey maps, sprint planning, and retrospectives. To use a template: 1. Click Templates on the left toolbar or from the board creation screen. 2. Browse or search for the template you need. 3. Click to insert it into your board. 4. Customize with your own content, sticky notes, and team input. Templates are a great way to save time and follow structured frameworks that promote productivity. Step 6. Advanced features and integrations. Lucidspark plays well with other productivity tools. Integrations: Lucid Chart. Import diagrams or link structured visuals directly into your whiteboard. Slack. Share boards in Slack channels and receive updates. Zoom. Use Lucidspark during Zoom meetings via the Zoom app marketplace. Google Drive. Save boards directly to Drive and collaborate like any Google Doc. Jira. Link sticky notes to Jira tasks for agile planning. Facilitator tools. If you are leading a session, use timers to limit brainstorming time. Use breakout boards for group activities. Use present mode to walk participants through ideas one step at a time. Step 7. Saving, exporting, and presenting. When your session is done, you have several options for saving and sharing your board. Export options: PDF, Lean export for documentation, PNG or JPEG, ideal for slides or sharing online. Live link, send a link for real-time viewing and collaboration. Lucid chart integration, convert into flowcharts or diagrams for formal use. Presentation mode, click the present button to showcase your board. Highlight specific areas or ideas. Great for meetings, stakeholder reviews, or client presentations. In conclusion, Lucidspark is a powerful, user-friendly tool for anyone looking to collaborate visually, brainstorm effectively, or manage team ideas in real time. In 2025, it continues to lead the way in digital whiteboarding by offering an intuitive interface, smart templates, and seamless integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Jira. Whether you are planning a project, running a workshop, or organizing ideas with your team, Lucidspark makes the process more engaging and productive. With features like sticky notes, voting sessions, and live collaboration, you can turn raw thoughts into structured action. Start exploring Lucidspark today and experience a more visual, connected, and efficient way to work, no matter where your team is located. And that is all there is on Lucidspark Tutorial 2025. Create interactive whiteboards and visual ideas. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.